What if you got paid to explore Alaska's stunning wild landscapes, analyze satellite imagery, or fly drones? Geomatics professionals do all this and so much more.
Geomatics equals technology plus data plus maps.
Geomatics is essentially the science of mapping and measuring, whether that's land surveying, GIS, remote sensing, and other aspects of measuring and making maps.
Geomatics professionals help design, map, and manage the natural and man-made resources of the Earth. The applications are endless.
Just about everybody in everyday life is using something related to geopositioning, geospatial information, and the foundation for that geospatial information is geomatics.
One of the things surveyors do all over the country is look for these monuments in the ground.
One of the things I do here at Alaska Railroad is I do a lot of drone flying.
I think the most meaningful part of the work that we do is that we are helping the state, the city, communities build new projects. Seeing the projects go from nothing to something is the cool part.
Geomatics professionals use their skills and knowledge to do meaningful work all over Alaska and the world.
One of the first projects I went on was going out into the Aleutians and installing sensors to support a mapping project for the National Ocean Service.
One project I really enjoyed was I got to work in New York after Hurricane Sandy.
I've worked inside zoos. I've measured polar bear enclosures. I've scanned tunnels for railroads. I've surveyed out in the remote Arctic and downtown high-rises, anything.
Over the next decade, the job outlook for surveyors is stronger than the national average, and the job outlook for cartographers and photogrammetrists is much stronger, at almost triple the national average.
A lot of times when you go to college, you ask yourself, will it pay? And geomatics, there's so much you can do and so many companies hiring geomatics majors, and that you won't have a hard time finding a job.
The average age of a licensed surveyor in Alaska is over 60, so more than 50% of the licensed population of Alaska is going to be retiring in the next 10 years.
The Associate of Science and Bachelor of Science degrees offered by the Department of Geomatics at UAA are designed so that all graduates are prepared to obtain jobs right out of college.
I think UAA was great for me because we have so many fun places we could go, and we went out and went to Girdwood once, and we were laser scanning a waterfall. I mean, it's just a pretty cool opportunity that I don't think you get in the middle of LA.
You have that interest, they can foster that interest and help you grow in maybe a discipline that you may have to struggle with, such as math. And I did struggle with math.
What makes the geomatics department unique is that with the students in there, in the geomatics, everyone works together, everyone's helpful, everyone's friendly, everyone wants to see everyone do well, and the teachers are very open on teaching, and they want their students to succeed. If you ever become a land surveyor, or if you ever go through geomatics, you're gonna meet other geomatics majors or land surveyors, and we're all this great small community, and we're always helpful to help each other out.
So my name is Nathan Wardwell, and my job title is Managing Partner of JOA Surveys.
My name is Bill Preston. I'm the Vice President of Geomatics at R&M Consultants.
My name is John Roeder, and I'm the Manager of Land Services at the Alaska Railroad.
My name is Steve Buchanan. I am a Senior Land Surveyor here at CRW Engineering Group.
I'm Travis Wilson, and I'm a Senior Land Surveyor here at R&M Consultants.
So my name is Sam Phillips. I am a project manager here at the Alaska Railroad.
My name is Garrett Giordano. I'm the GIS Program Manager for the Alaska Railroad.
My name is Daniel Anunciacion, and my job title is Land Services and Geomatic Programs.
My name is Daniel Kuhn, and I'm a land services technician for Alaska Railroad.
The Geomatics degree at the University of Alaska Anchorage prepares you to get out of the office and into the field.
I think the sky's the limit for the next generation.